What do you think I'm doing in beautiful Grey River, Newfoundland? Of course, I'm doing laundry. There's a distinct lack of laundromats in the wilderness. So, I'm making use of the water flowing by here. You see how fast the water's flowing there. So I'm making use of that. I put the clothes there this morning. It's now early evening. Time to pull them in. So, not nearly as good as a washing machine, but good enough. And all it required to do this was putting them in the bag, tying the bag up, and leaving it for most of the day. So these are fairly well cleaned. The lazy man's way of doing laundry in the wilderness.